Drug development is a race between a molecule and a disease.
With AI modules and a digital backbone.
mcube, the intelligence engine that connects every stage of the molecule to medicine.
The race against time. Drug development is a race between a molecule and a disease. Advanced chemistry is how we can tilt that race in favor of the patient. Too often, the biggest delay is invisible. Complex hazardous chemistry works at grams, but stalls at kilos. Each redesign, each failed scale-up steals months from the patient. We engineer the route using technology of catalysis, continuous flow chemistry, photochemistry, and electrochemistry based on first-time right principles. We're able to remove dangerous steps, boost the yield, and design for manufacturing from first experiments.
At TCG GreenChem, we ask one question: how do we accelerate that journey from molecules to medicine without ever compromising quality or safety? The key is transforming the scattered data from CMC, toxicology, and DMPK into a single connected sources of truth. That's why TCG GreenChem, TCG Digital, and LabVantage act as one engine, combining advanced preclinical and clinical data with AI modules and a digital backbone that captures and interprets every data point in real time.
This digital and technology backbone is the platform mcube, the intelligence engine that connects every stage of the molecule to medicine journey. So mcube brings together preclinical, clinical, CMC, manufacturing data into a single federated intelligence layer. Then it preserves the context, the relationships between the data elements, as well as the decision history. Now, using semantic ontologies available in the platform, the knowledge graphs, the agentic AI workflows, mcube just doesn't store the data. It understands the data, reasons with it, applies complex algorithms, and it connects the molecules to processes, processes to outcomes, and outcomes back to decisions. Now, this means that the insights generated in one stage can get propagated to subsequent stages, and there's a continuous feedback loop with late-stage learnings feeding back into early development. So clinical signals can shape CMC strategies in real time.
That means fewer surprises, smoother scale-ups, and months shaved off the path to first-in-human and beyond. In the end, advanced chemistry isn't about routes and reactions. It's about giving that patient the medicine while it still matters.